Today we're gonna shake up the pasta salad game with roasted veggies, a ton of fresh herbs, and a homemade dressing. To make this light yet filling roasted veggie pasta salad, begin by bringing a pot of generously salted water to a boil. Pour in your choice of shaped pasta and let it cook until al dente. Drain the hot water and stop the noodles from cooking by shocking it with ice water. Although rinsing pasta is usually a no-no because it strips the starch that thickens pasta sauce and helps it stick, that is less important here with this recipe than getting it chilled and keeping it from becoming mushy, and we don't really need to thicken the vinaigrette. On that note, just a handful of ingredients for the dressing. And in a small bowl, you're going to combine the olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, honey, Dijon mustard, fresh chopped garlic, salt, and pepper. Give it a stir and set it aside. Next, on to roasting the veggies. Asparagus, sweet onion, red bell pepper, and carrots go into a large mixing bowl. Coat them in olive oil, salt, and pepper, and mix them together really well. Generously coat a sheet pan with cooking spray or oil, and then spread the seasoned veggies out in a single layer. Roast them in the oven until tender and lightly browned. To pull it all together, pour the drained and chilled pasta into a serving bowl. Add the beautiful seasoned and roasted veggies. Pour on that sweet and tangy vinaigrette and mix it all together. And now to the toppings that literally make this dish over the top. Dot with creamy goat cheese. Sprinkle with fresh Italian parsley, dill, and crunchy chopped walnuts. And sure, of course, you can always mix up the combination of veggies, herbs, cheese, and nuts to fit your taste. And as if there aren't enough layers of flavor in this pasta salad, if you want to add in some cooked chicken, fish, or shrimp, you can make this a really hearty meal. You can find the recipe for this roasted veggie pasta salad at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.